Hello everyone. This video actually showing you how to analyze the data basically using pivot table. Pivot table is a kind of summary table which help us to find out the insight of data. So basically, this is my data set. I'm going to show how I actually analyze the data. Basically, based on our pivot table. Okay, so using a pivot table, we have a clear guidance from our client. So actually, um, he sent me kind of instructions here. Okay, so I'm following the instructions, and based on the instruction I will conduct the pivot table analysis. Okay, so basically a pivot table is a excellent tool which help us to find out the insight of data, and it's really help to make the dashboard based on the data. So first of all, based on the instruction file, I have to conduct find out the cash flow based on criteria type. Okay, create if statement, return a negative cash flow, look like um, first and minus figure five, look like $500, for example, if the type was withdrawal. So it's our instruction, our logic. If is a logical function, we know that when we have a certain condition, then we can apply the if function. So basically we can do the if function task. First of all, they instructed me like cash flow. Okay, then if logic function, if right, logical test, they instructed me like uh, type equal if the type equal withdrawal. Okay, then it should be minus figure amount. Okay, bracket close. Okay, so this is actually showing I'm just conducting the analysis. First of all, first criteria meet, then okay, first criteria meet, then the instruction like that. In running your pivot table, some suggestion are look at things: branch, account type, customer, etc. And there's a suggestion only, you will probably run more just those type. Remember to run more than just sums in your pivot tables. You can also run minimum, maximum, count, percentage, and more. Okay, run at least 3 pivot tables, saving as a separate sheet. Okay, so this is our data set. Basically I'm going to conduct the analysis. Okay, first of all I have to select the whole data set, then go to inside tab, pivot tables, pivot tables. Okay, find off, then I'm conducting one by one. Okay, so new worksheet, rename that sheet pivot 1. Okay, pivot 1. Then they instructed me some suggestion like that. Suggestion like that, we can use branch. Okay, branches in our rows, then our cash flow. Okay, it's all about like sum of cash flow, but they said me not using sum only. Okay, so that's why I conduct more than sum. Okay, not like that, sum, not like sum. Okay, field settings, I can use minimum of cash flows, then I can use maximum, I can use average. Average actually the mean value. Okay, so okay, that's all. After that pivot table, second pivot table, I can use this pivot table, copy, control C, then paste here, then just untick the branch. I can use types. Okay, types wise. So here is the result of types wise. Okay, current condition, deposit, new account, okay, withdrawal, everything, sum, minimum of cash flows, maximum of cash flows based on our type. Okay, okay, okay. So pivot table 2, this is called pivot table 2, pivot 2. Okay, then I can use 3, same data set. Okay, I can do it again, control C, control V, paste. So here I can use for customer type, save account types. Okay, okay, account types. So it's customer types of customer was first, customer. Okay, then I can use types of account. Okay, these are certificate of deposit, checking, IRA, savings. Okay, so cash flow, sum of cash flow, minimum of cash flow. So actually showing the insight of data. So normally it's our data set. We cannot find out the average minimum here. So basically pivot table help us to find out the insight, what is the real scenario of the data set. We can easily understand based on our pivot table output. Okay, so if I consider this 3 output, okay, pivot table 3, okay, pivot 3, then if I consider the first was like uh, branch and branch wise data set. Okay, inside branch wise inside, otherwise like that. Then second one is like types of account, the third one is like types of customer. Okay, I just now I'm going to pivot chart or any chart kind of. Okay, to visualize the output. If I consider those two output like sum of cash flows, then insert we can use recommended chart. If does not show, then I can use two columns. Okay, not like that, two columns. Okay, maybe it automatically selected the chart all of the output. Okay, so I'm not using all of the output, I'm using single by single. Okay, single by single, then use the output. It's help us to visualize the data. Okay, some of the data, right button, not like that. We don't have to select the grand total. Okay, so change the data type. change the data type, change the selected data. Okay, 50. Okay, I can use one by one, no problem. Like I'm showing the sample. Okay, so it will really help you to find out the insight. Okay, same insight. If I consider the column chart, then it will be like that. Then add data levels. Okay, so cash flow by type of account. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so that's the actually analysis. So it's a really helpful to find out the insight, and easy it's really understandable, like we can easily understand what actually going on the output. Okay, selected, maybe I have to select the data set 50 60, no need to run total. Okay, thank you everyone. You can use pivot table to visualize the data and find out the insight of the data. Okay, thank you.